Hello, welcome to class. Want to get us started today. We finished up talking about target markets at our last class. I want you to define you and your target market. Give me 3 to 4 descriptors that you think define you and your target market. Today, what we are going to do is be able to define and synthesize market segmentation as it relates to target marketing. Again, that's kind of that breaking apart of the target markets in the creation of a product or store or restaurant, okay? So our purpose, why are we doing this? To give you an understanding and depth of knowledge to how companies market to different groups and why, to help you understand another aspect of and to give you additional practice with first-hand business practices. I like this. Marketing is a contest for people's attention, and this is by Seth Godin. It's really what marketing is. You are trying to get people's attention so they buy the products or the services that you are offering. Okay. Your first activity for the day, thinking about the television industry. You can do movies as well. I want you to pick 5 shows or channels. List them on a Word doc. And then I want you to create a list of characteristics for each of them for the segment of the market that would enjoy the show or the network. Okay? So again, think of that target market that they are leaning towards. Okay? So my example, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. It's on Disney Junior or Disney in the early morning. It's for ages 1 to 6, newborns included if mom needs to put them down. And the income level is really any class that has access to cable or access to a computer because YouTube plays it, Disney Plus, it's on any of those. Okay, so those are just a couple key demographics for who this program is meant for, right? So I would like you to pick 3 to 4 groupings that, again, relate to this program or network that you've chosen. And you're going to do that for 5, okay? All right, once you are done with that, you are going to move on, and we're going to get a little bit bigger. We're going to talk about restaurant segmentation. And I want you to create a market segment for a restaurant. You can pick any target market you want. Okay, but I want you to be very clear and specific in your target market. You cannot market to everyone. Your market cannot be so broad that it's for everyone. You have to have a clear-cut target market. Okay, again, ages 5 to 12-year-olds who love fried food, who only like to eat things that are the color yellow. Okay, my menu would look like macaroni and cheese, fried mac and cheese balls, French fries, and chicken nuggets. Okay, so that's kind of the idea behind this. I want you to create a menu with 4 entrees, all right, for your market. Create a presentation telling me what your market is on the first slide, and then showing me your entrees and prices on the next. Be ready to defend your market. You're going to create a screencast-o-matic video, which is actually what I'm using right now. It is you type it into the Google and it will pull it up for you. You'll have to like log in, but it's for educational purposes. And you're going to create a video once we're all done. Not yet, because I have another element to add to this. But you're going to have to defend why your items are suitable for this market, why the price is suitable. Be specific when you do your video, okay? So when you're done with your first set of slides, I want you to think about how easy it was to design a menu when you had the target market choice. Like, it's so easy when you pick the target market because it's probably a target market that you're very familiar with, okay? It's probably food that you like to eat, so you chose something that you are very invested in. Now, I want you to email me. Shoot me a message on Schoology. I will have my computer open and ready to go. When you have completed your original menu of 4. I will then email you back a target market very specific, and you will create an additional 4 items for this target market. It will be an additional slide. You'll need to add what that new target market is from me, and add 4 additional entrees and pricings for that target market. Okay? It gets a little harder when you were assigned a target market versus when you get to create it. Okay? Once you are done and you have your 8 entrees, so you have your 4 that you created for your target market, and you have the 4 that I assigned you, you are going to create a screencast-o-matic. So you are going to record yourself using the online app like I'm doing right now. You'll have your presentation happening in the background of on your video. You're going to walk us through it. Tell me why. Tell me what the food is. Tell me the pricing. Tell me why. And then you are going to post your video in the restaurant segmentation discussion board. Okay, post it so people can watch it. And then you're going to watch and reply to at least 3 classmates. Do you agree or disagree with their menu pricing? Why or why not? What could they have changed? What would you have added to their menu? What would you have changed about their pricing to make it more relevant to their target market? Okay, I will be looking forward to those. That is all. If you have any questions, I know this is a lot to take on if you are at home. If you have any questions, we may not get through all of this today. Okay, if you don't get to the Screencastify today and we need to look at it next week when you're in class, that is fine. I have not made this due until next week because I know that there may be some questions because we're doing a whole nother element of this with the presentation piece. Please work on the presentations, okay? And then I can assist with the other pieces, right? If you need me, you know where to find me. Don't hesitate to reach out for help, and I hope you guys have a great day.